Two productivity powerhouses, one showdown. Todoist or Slack? Which one really delivers? On the left, Todoist, task management made easy. And on the right, Slack, the collaboration hub for teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. We're awarding points in each category, so you'll see clearly who comes out ahead. The winner just might surprise you.
Okay, quick pit stop. Let's get a bird's eye view of all the stuff we'll compare. First up, their general purpose. Then, pricing. Who they're really made for. How well they play with other apps. What kind of customer support you can expect. And finally, that all-important gut feeling. User satisfaction. Ready? Let's jump in. Starting off with purpose. Todoist, honestly, it's made for creating to-do lists, tracking tasks, and boosting your productivity. Like, if you're the checklist type, this is totally your jam. But, it's not exactly a master of team collaboration, so keep that in mind. Now, Slack flips the script. It's all about team chat, collaboration, sharing stuff, and keeping everyone looped in at work. But if you're just looking to check things off your personal to-do list, Slack feels kind of clunky. So they each shine in their own lane. No real winner here. They kind of tie. Next up, pricing. Todoist, and here's something cool. It actually gives you a free plan. Yep, if you just want to test the waters, go for it. And even when you hit the paid plans, they're pretty affordable. The only catch is, the free version trims the feature list down a bit. Now, Slack, gotta be honest, the pricing here is a little mysterious. You get custom options for bigger teams, but nothing super upfront or transparent on their site. So if you love clarity when it comes to numbers, Todoist wins this round, like by a mile. Moving on to target audience. Todoist plays nice with individuals and small teams. Perfect for freelancers and little squads who just want to get stuff done. But if you've got a giant team, you'll probably run out of steam with Todoist. Now, Slack, this is where it flexes big time. Whether you're in a 5-person startup or a 500-person company, Slack scales up effortlessly. Small caveat though, if you're a solo worker, Slack's kinda overkill. Still, for bigger teams, it's the clear winner. Quick fun fact. Did you know the effectiveness of task management tools like Todoist and collaboration platforms like Slack depends on your specific needs? So it really pays to know what you want from your software. Let's talk integrations. Todoist integrates with stuff like Google Calendar and even more via Zapier, which is super handy. But honestly, when you try to connect it outside the basics, you'll notice things run out fast. Native integrations are a bit limited. Now, Slack comes in with this massive app directory, and integrating apps is basically what it lives for. The only snag is apps that aren't built directly for Slack can be a little bit less seamless. But still, both are pretty awesome here. It's a tie. Customer support. Todoist, you get decent support. Phone, email, and even live chat. Nice, right? But their community is kind of quiet, so don't expect tons of help from fellow users. Now, Slack's support is pretty robust. Phone, email, tickets, but live chat isn't available for everyone, just those on big plans. So really, both are solid, but there isn't a standout here. Another tie. Ooh, now for user satisfaction. Todoist gets props for being easy to use, like super straightforward interface. The only downside? Some folks wish it had more advanced features, especially as their needs grow. On the flip side, Slack is hugely popular for team collaboration. People love it for that. Just a tiny warning, if you're totally new, Slack's got a steeper learning curve. But overall, users seem a little more hyped about Slack. So Slack sneaks ahead here. All right, here's a visual snapshot, just so you can see, side by side, how Todoist and Slack stack up across every category. You'll notice some clear strengths and weaknesses. And maybe you've already spotted which is ahead, right? So let's wrap it up. If you're mostly flying solo, or you want your small team to stay organized, Todoist is a no-brainer for smooth task management. But if you're all about group chat, file sharing, and keeping an entire army of coworkers on the same page, Slack is definitely your move. Just remember, your workflow really makes the call here. Go ahead, give Todoist a shot for your own task game, or rally your team around Slack for better collaboration. Play around with both and find out which vibe fits you best.